In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payments on Squarespace. If you're running an online store or offering services through your Squarespace site, setting up a seamless payment system is crucial for smooth transactions and improving customer experience. Let's dive right in. First, begin by navigating to your Squarespace homepage. This is your dashboard, a central hub for managing your website. Ensure you're logged in and ready to access the backend settings. From here, we're going to make our search for the payment setup option a bit easier. Locate the search bar, which is usually positioned prominently, allowing for quick navigation. Clicking on it will enable you to type and find the settings you need without having to scroll through various menus. In the search bar, type the word Payments. This action will pull up the relevant options associated with setting up payments on your Squarespace website. Once you see the Payments option appear on your screen, go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to a dedicated section where you can configure all the necessary payment settings. Now, within the Payments section, you'll be presented with the option to choose a payment provider. Squarespace offers several choices, allowing you the flexibility to select one that best suits your business needs. Whether it's Stripe, PayPal, or another service, click on the Connect button associated with your chosen provider. This step is essential as it links your Squarespace website to the payment processor, enabling transactions to be processed smoothly. Next, you'll need to enter your payment account information. This typically involves providing details such as your email address associated with your payment provider account, and possibly some other verification information required for authentication. Be sure to check the account details carefully before proceeding, as this information will directly affect your payment processing. Once you've accurately entered your payment account information, it's time to click on the Continue button to proceed. By doing this, you are finalizing the connection between your payment account and your Squarespace site. And there you have it. You've successfully set up payments on your Squarespace website. This process ensures that your customers can easily make transactions, enhancing their user experience and promoting smoother business operations for you. Remember to occasionally revisit these settings to ensure they remain updated with any changes in your payment provider or business operations. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more Squarespace tips and tutorials.